and I welcome back to my YouTube channel Phoenicium and myself Phoenicium and today we are going to discuss about one of the research paper in computer networking, that is Osi Model and types. And my USN is 1V26CS120 and I'm currently studying 5th semester CSE, and this subject code is CCS502. Now we'll go to the main topic of the agenda of this session or this video. This is OSI model. What is this OSI model? And we'll see the overview of the 7 layers in OSI model of computer networking. This OSI model, in this OSI model, there are mainly 7 layers. There are physical layer, data layer, network layer, transport layer, presentation layer, session layer, and the last is application layer. This is from lower end to upper end, and we'll see what are the data that is transferred, that are represented as, and etc. First we'll comes to the abstraction. What is this OSI model? What is this OSI abstract known as Open System Interconnection model? And this OSI model is also used in the 5G networking, 4G networking, and it is one of the most important models, so that it can be used in the encryption and decryption of the data, and it is used in the encryption, and it is also having some more the disadvantages, so that it is restricting the use of ISO model and OSI model. And if you come to this ISO, what is this ISO? Organization of Standards. This is the organization of standards, so that it sets a limit or the standard, so that up to that they should maintain a standard, so that they can't go. This OSI model is divided into, as I said, that there are mainly 7 layers, that is from physical layer to application layer, and these layers will be go on studying in the next few more minutes, and this all is the abstract. And we'll come to the introduction. What is this OSI model? When was this OSI model introduced? It was in late 1970s by ISO and CCITT. Now it is also known as ITU-TS. The model was designed to enable the different system to communicate by the breakdown of the communication system into 7 different layers. As you have seen that in TCP/IP model there are mainly 5 layers, and this in OSI model there are they have added the 2 main layers, that is presentation and session layer, so that it can be more interactive and it can be more communicative, and it may have some standards also. That's all was the introduction. Although it was initially meant to replace the existing standards, today the OSI model is primarily used as a referential tool for standards, networking, and architecture. And this OSI model is mainly used in some more. And we'll come to the history. What is this history? The development of OSI model began in the late 1970s with the, as I said, the ISO and the other organizations working independently, and the model drew inspiration for the various networking systems like such as ARPANET and etc. In 1983, ISO and CCITT, now also known as ITU-TS, combined their efforts to create a unified framework which became an OSI model. These 7 layers was designed and influenced by the work of Charles Benchman and was officially documented as ISO 7498, etc. This was it. And these are the 7 layers that we are going to discuss in this session. They are physical layer, data layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and the application layer. Now we'll see what are the data known as in that layer. That is, first in physical layer, it is known as the bits. It is the lowermost layer in the sender, and the first layer to be last layer in the sender, and the first layer in the receiver part. As you have seen, this is the sender part, this is the receiver part. etc. And in data link layer, it is known as Ethernet frame. In network layer, it is known as datagrams. And transportation layer, it is known as segments. And in application layer, it is known as message. As sender sends the message, it's it's encrypted, and it is divided into bits as the machine readable language zeros and ones, and then it is sent to the sender, and it is decoded and encoded in the parts. First, we'll see about the physical layer. Physical layer key feature is that defines the electrical and the physical facilities of the data connection, manages physical connection between the devices such as cable, voltage lines, etc. The protocol used are Ethernet, USB. All these are like LAN or within surroundings. Use USB, and the Wi-Fi use IEEE 802.11, and handling transmission medium signal modulation, etc. And we come to the data link layer. Data link layer provides the reliable transmission of the data frames between the adjacent nodes, ensure error detection and the correctness using the mechanism like cyclic reduction, etc. CRC method we are using. Example is the net, etc. And these are known as the net frames in this. And handling of the frame synchronization. And we use MAC. In this data link layer, there are mainly two types. They are medium axis control and logical axis control. If I am logical link control. And if we go to the network layer, in the network layer, they use router package across the multiple networking and handling package framing and assembling. Protocols including IP and ICMP are used, ensuring that the packets reach their destination via best possible path. And if we come to the transport layer which transports the data from the network layer to the application layer, provides end-to-end communication between the host, ensuring the reliable data transmission, handles segmentation, load, control, error detection, and the retransmission of the lost data. Protocols are TCP and UDP. UDP is mainly used in the user datagram protocol. And as said that TCP, there are 5 layers as same as this, and managing. And if we go to the session layer, manages and controls the session between the computer, responsible for setting up the managing and verifying down the communication system. Example is remote login session and file transmission session. If we come to the presentation layer, translate the data between the application and the network formats. Ensure that the data from the application layer is formatted in a way that the receiving system can understand. Example is JPG, ASCII values, JPEG is the image conversion. And if we come to the last layer and the uppermost layer of this Osi model is the application layer. The layer closest to the user providing services such as file transmission, email, and remote login. Example is DNS, HTTP Hypertext Transport Protocol, FTP, and SSH, etc. Ensuring that the communication patterns are identified, authenticated, and the data is present in the return. And if we come to the benefits of Osi model, just compatible, easy troubleshoot, clarity and understanding, security, and extensibility. And we'll come to the conclusion of this Osi model. That's it. In Osi model, we have discussed that history of Osi model in 1970s, late 1970s was introduced, and which company has introduced Osi model, and who this organization has combined with another standards organization of standards has combined with another organization, and they have made this Osi model. There are 7 layers, and what are the protocols used, what are the examples. That was the conclusion for this. Thank you. That's it was for today. Do like, share, comment, subscribe. Do share your. That's it.